Jupiter and Saturn will also be visible above the southwestern horizon tonight, but Jeff joins us to let us know if cloud cover will let us see the moon.
And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Yeah, I'm the big jerk. Yeah, it's clouds. You're probably not going to see all that. But maybe after midnight, you might be able to see the moon because we should be able to clear out tonight. Now, we had all this Arctic air in place over the weekend. Yeah, a storm comes up the coast. We get a little snow, and then we get a lot of rain, and it's mild, and then more cold air. How can that possibly happen? I'm going to try to explain to you in just a moment. But first, in between the snow, the rain, the wind was a little sunshine, and Megan, our 4 o'clock producer, got this really awesome rainbow picture today in Providence because we did pop a little sunshine. And when she took this picture about 1 o'clock, the temperatures had taken off. And Megan, thank you for thinking of me and sending the picture. I appreciate it. Because look what we did today. After a weekend where we could barely get to 20 degrees, it was so frigid, we go 50 today. And that was because the storm track was to our west. Any cold air, that was erased quickly, and temperatures warmed up fast, turning snow to rain, and it really was just a big rain and wind event is how it played out. Temperatures right now have fallen back to around 40 degrees, mid-30s in Coventry, and the cold air will work back in, but not frigid though, not frigid. Temperatures, 20s tonight, 30s tomorrow. That's not bad for this time of year. You don't see this purple stuff, it's still up there. So if we just stay blue, that's about how we should be for this time of year. I do think it will stay that way for at least tonight, tomorrow. Look at this monster storm. Last 48 hours. Whoop. Now, if you want snow, this track is too far west. You want it way out here. I know there was a little snow at first, but this track was not ideal. And if you are a big snow fan, you are so bummed out right now. Last Friday and this storm here, both of them not bringing big snow to the area, and the potential was so off the charts. If we could have had the track be a little bit better or come a little bit closer like last Friday, you think you got to hit one of these eventually. There's another one in the forecast we'll talk about. Satellite and radar, some lingering light precipitation, mainly in the form of rain, but you could have a little snow mixing in now for areas northwest and Province. Temperatures are still way above freezing, so if it does turn over to a little snow, mainly wet roads, could be a little icy maybe tonight if we go back into the 20s, but with the wind's so gusty and they'll stay breezy tonight, a lot of that will dry off on the roads. I'm not worried about widespread ice. The low pressure itself that tracked to our west and brought the snow, rain, and wind is now in northern portions of Vermont and will wobble itself away. And as it does, we'll start to clear things out. We'll get back into some sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures tonight fall back in the 20s. Winds stay breezy. Wind chills in the teens when you wake up tomorrow. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, but the best we can do is right around 30 degrees. And with a little wind in the afternoon, which isn't going anywhere, the wind chill values will likely stay in the teens for the afternoon. Break it down hour by hour or every 3 hours. Wake up in the morning, temperature about the same as it's going to be later in the day. There's not much movement tomorrow. Sun will be deceiving, and I put a breezy icon in for every single part of the day because I don't think the winds will back off, and you'll notice the temperature change tomorrow afternoon. So cloud cover now, any light precipitation moves out. Sunshine tomorrow, there's your temperatures in the 20s. By the afternoon, we'll hold 20s to near 30, drop again by the evening, and it will be a colder night tomorrow night. Drop it all the way back into the teens. Wednesday features a lot more cloud cover than sunshine. I'm going to call it partly sunny, but Wednesday's temperature is not bad. We get back into the 40s. More colder air awaits by the end of the week. Precipitation-wise, we got a shot for Wednesday night into Thursday for some very light rain and snow. Don't think this really amounts to much, but may fall during the morning commute. The bigger concern will be the colder air that comes in for the weekend, and there is a chance for some snow on Saturday. Some of the forecast scenarios have a big-time snow event. Others have a complete swing and a miss. It's 5 days out. We'll zero in on that forecast with each and every passing day. Tiffany.
You will. Thanks, Jeff.